Hi, my name is Hei Pin-im with Korean Churches for Community Development. I'm the founder. Our organization was formed because we noticed that there were many churches and nonprofits who were doing wonderful work, but because they lacked capacity to be able to navigate the system and understand how to build successful partnerships and seek funding, this was an area that needed assistance. And so our organization was formed to be able to do that. One of the grants that we received for capacity building was around Communities Empowering Youth. It is a Compassion Capital grant from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. And through that grant, we were able to select 10 youth agencies. 50% were Asian and 50% were non-Asian. And through that partnership, we were able to help these organizations be able to increase their funding, strengthen their board, improve their website, increase their partnerships, and be able to strengthen their staff as well as their programs.
PwC has had a great experience working with KCCD because they bring so many resources together.
KCCD really took us under their wing with this grant that they received to be able to get equipment and things that we need to be a better media organization.
We were granted $15,000 to $20,000 for college education to educate our youth.
We were also able to secure funds from the Stewart Foundation of $25,000, as well as with the MacArthur Foundation, that was $20,000.
Through our partnership with KCCD, we were able to increase our reach and reach probably about 1,000 more kids through our programs.
I'm happy to say that in the last 3 years, around Communities Empowering Youth, the topic of Asian youth, delinquent Asian youth, has become a lot more relevant and a common conversation. Recently, our organization had the chance to meet with the city official, and the staff there was quoting the very statistics that we had helped to popularize. So it made me happy to see that our work is definitely having an impact.
One of the biggest encouragements for us is to see KCCD leading a group of other agencies to come together to give a voice to a pocket of the community which has been overlooked for many years.
This program enabled us to be more aware and sensitive to the needs of the Asian youth community and how we could be more effective in reaching that population.
Policymakers and even funders don't necessarily think that Asian American youth are facing challenges.
We are collaborative, or our partnership was able to work together to host a conference in which we brought the leading practitioners as well as stakeholders who have an impact in decisions around investing in Asian youth.
Asian American youth, a lot of times, we're left out. We're left at a lot of circles. When they talk about youth, the Asian youth is completely left out or not spoken about.
We were able to bring all these faith leaders into one room and be able to have a conversation, and also to raise awareness and educate in terms of the kind of the unique behavior that Asian youth have compared to any other youth.
KCCD gave us the tools that we needed through the workshops, through the training, through the awareness to help give us the tools we needed to be able to empower our youth.
Through the resources that we've gotten through KCCD, we've been able to expand our reach to reach more kids.
With KCCD CEY, we empower those youth to come out of their shells, to show them that they don't have to be silent about things, that there are people out there who care about them, that there are all these programs out there that they should utilize.
The work of these nonprofits are on the ground, really being that standing in the gap, and yet they are lacking resources, lacking knowledge, and that's what we have been able to do at KCCD, is to empower these organizations, bring them, connect them to the resources, the decision makers, so that we could impact policy, change the system, so that better resources are available, and in turn these organizations could empower youth.